Hi everybody, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to navigate through your course. This is the math course for our 6th grade, and I'm Mrs. Leach. I'm going to help you navigate through it. So you will click on that and you'll get to this page right here. Let me see the student view. Maybe that will help you a little bit better. So here's what you will see, and you'll be super excited to know that you are right in the right place. You can scroll down and watch a video, and I will introduce myself, and your teacher might introduce herself to you. It'll either be Mrs. Dabney or Mrs. Pates, and Miss Alonzo also, who you might be working with this year. And then right here it will say insert the navigation video, and that's where you're going to find this as soon as I'm completed with it. So what you're going to do to get your live lessons is to click on here where it says live lessons, and it's not available yet. Okay, I know why it's not available yet. It's because I need to get out of student view, and I haven't. So I'm going to go back to my page. It's very similar to your page. Here we go. Click on live lessons, and then you will get live synchronous lessons, and then you will click on your advisory lesson on the morning at 9:15. You'll click there. For every other class, you will click for your block 1 or your block 2 or block 3 or flex time at 3:45. So let's say you're going to block 2, and you'll want to click right there in block 2, and it will give you a link. Let's see if it's moving for us. But it will take you to the Zoom page. I don't know why it's not working right now. It's just giving me the opportunity to copy it, but not to get me there. But it will bring up this link, and you will be able to get to your Zoom lesson, and then you will have your Zoom lesson, your live synchronous learning, and synchronous meaning that we're all going to work together on that. And then as soon as your synchronous time is finished, you'll go back to the home page, and at the home page you'll scroll down where it says enter here. Now this will be asynchronous learning, and asynchronous learning is where you are not working together, you're working by yourself. So the A in front of it means not together. So asynchronous learning is when you're working by yourself, possibly with a small group. So this first week, what you're going to do is click into introduction or intro to Canvas. And you'll click on that. And right now you can see that, you know why? You can't see my page either, but on this page will give you what the instructions you will need to do by yourself. I can show those to you in my other course. So when you click on that, let me get out of my course and into my teacher course, and I can show you how that looks. Because on my side of things, it's a little bit different than your side of things. So I would go into ours is down here, our 6th grade teacher page, and right here you would click on enter here, and then you would click on intro to Canvas. And then you'll see here is your asynchronous work, week 1, days 1 through 3, August 17 through 19. And then underneath it will have and since it's not published yet, it's not in there yet. So it will be there soon. You will see it soon. Okay, so that's your introduction to your Canvas work. Let me show you one more time how to get there just so that you know. So your home page is here. And you will start and click right here on live lessons, and live lessons will get you to your morning work, your whatever class period you're going to enter, and it will give you a link to where you need to go. Okay, so I'm Mrs. Leach. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful year. Thank you so much.